So on adding this constructor in the myAPI tests file, it comes up with this error: inconsistent accessibility parameter type web applications factory with t entry point being program, and this says that this is less accessible than method myAPI test.myAPI test, that is this constructor. This program is less program class, whatever program class is this is less accessible than this public constructor. So what happens is, why it does so, that because we are using minimal API. Now in minimal API setup, you can add a separate partial program class to satisfy the web application factory generic requirement. Because what happens that this program class, even though it is a program.cs file, it doesn't explicitly exist as a class with a public modifier. Since there is no public class program by default in minimal APIs, this leads to an accessibility issues when using web application factory with program in our test class like such. So what I did, how to mitigate, what is the solution to solve this issue? So what I need to do is, I created another class, name it any class, class.cs or test class.cs or test.cs, and then created a public partial class program to satisfy the needs of minimal API. Now, once I do this, see, this red line has vanished. Now, if I click on Ctrl+Shift+B to build, it will build successfully. Okay, once succeeded. So this is the alleviation of this problem.